Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import email contacts into Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, move your mouse over Contacts in the top menu and click Contacts. Now, look for the Import option and click it. Systeme.io will ask you to upload a CSV file containing your contacts, so before importing, make sure your contact list is saved as a CSV file on your computer. Your CSV file should include basic details like the email address, and if needed, first name, last name, or tags depending on how you want to organize your contacts. Click Upload File and select your CSV file. Once the file is uploaded, Systeme.io will show you the columns from your CSV. Now match each column with the correct field in Systeme.io, like email, first name, or last name. Make sure the email column is mapped correctly, because that's the most important field. If you want, you can also assign tags during the import process to organize your contacts better for future campaigns and automation. After reviewing everything, click Import Contacts. Systeme.io will now start importing your contact list into your account. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the import is complete, you'll see your contacts inside the Contacts section. That's it. You've successfully imported email contacts into Systeme.io. And if you're planning to use Systeme.io, check out my recommended link in the description below. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 High Converting Email Subject Lines for Affiliate Marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe the channel.